Look at this fool right here. This fool's singing his heart out. Can you see this guy right here? This guy's singing his fucking heart out, man. Like he in a studio. He's singing all the old school joints too. Look, he got his leg up. Oh, he took the happy pill today. And look at the other fool singing. Other fool in the cut sing with the blue hat all the way back there behind him. That motherfucker crazy. Oh shit. He about to Dougie. Look. Look, oh, he moonwalking. Oh, look at the footwork. Look at the footwork. Look at the footwork. Oh shit. Look at the footwork in the Timbs. Oh shit. Everybody laughing on the track. Everybody laughing at this fool. You were laughing their ass off. You see this? You saw his footwork? His footwork is crazy in those tips. Oh, here you go. Oh, he about to bust a move. Oh, it's getting hot in here, huh? Oh, look at this one. This one right here. Oh, he caught the Holy Ghost. He caught the Holy Ghost with it. You see everybody laughing? He caught the Holy Ghost with it. Oh, shit. Oh, you see this other fool over here singing? This is real fucking rap right here. On the fucking train right now. This motherfucker is going in. Dancing, moonwalking, shuffling. Look, he about to bust a move. Oh shit, he Justin Timberlaked it. Oh shit.